So I have the wig. This is the wig. Hair ViVi. Hair ViVi. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm gonna bring to you a first initial thoughts review on a wig. I bought a wig from Hair ViVi. Super excited because I've heard so many great things about Hair ViVi. It's great for beginners. It's take it out the box, put it on your head, dash out the door type of wig. You don't have to do much because they do everything for you already, and that's really what I was looking for, being that I don't have that much time. So yeah, let's jump into it and let's look at this wig. So this is how the wig comes. It comes in this gorgeous box that I am so in love with. This packaging is everything. Packaging goals, definitely. This cute box, this navy blue with this adorable ribbon, and it says Hair ViVi on it. So cute. So packaging, A+. A+ packaging, let's do a check. Gorgeous. So now I'm gonna open up the box. You also get a cute little card, which I love. That's so cute. It has gold writing. It's a really nice card. Great information on how you need to care for your wig. And then it also came with a comb. So the Toni & Guy comb looks like great quality, like it's not cheap. And then also 2 hair clips, and these are also Toni & Guy. So I have the specs of the wig. So this is Lillian Luxury Long Hair Wig Ombre Color. I have it in Indian Virgin hair. Hair density is 160%. Hair length is 22 inches. Style is in wavy. Cap size is medium. I have a pre-made fake scalp, which is light brown, and I did also go ahead and get the V-shape clip-in bangs, thick wispy bangs. And yeah, I didn't want a bang, but I saw when I was checking out, they did offer a clip-on bang, and I thought that would be cute to switch up my look. So it looks like I have a different hairstyle, but I don't really have a different hairstyle. I just clipped on a bang, and I think this is so genius. So it's a wispy bang, and I got the thick one, and then it's longer on the sides. As you can see, it's longer on the sides, and then it's more blunt and thick in the middle. So it's like the little clips, so you could put it on and off. Now, I must say, I have already tried on this wig. I have brushed it out, and I love it. So let me show you. This is Lillian in 22 inches. It's an ombre wig, and it's in wavy. So it isn't thin, it isn't super thick. It's very natural, but not thin, if that makes sense. So look at that. So for 160, I think it's good density. So the great thing about their wig, it has a pre-made scalp, fake scalp. So it's lace, and they have the lace, and then they have a stocking cap, so you get the stocking cap method feel to it, well, the look of it. But on top of the stocking cap is another, like, what is this? Like another lace. So it's lace, stocking cap, then more lace. So I love this because it looks like it's gonna be durable, it's gonna last long. So I'm excited about that, and I don't have to bleach the knots because the knots are already bleached, and I don't have to do the stocking cap method, which I never could do because it's too much gel, too much hairspray. It's just messy. I could never do it. So yeah, I'm excited about this, and it's pre-plucked, so I don't have to worry about plucking it. So this is how it looks with the fake scalp. Love this. So I don't have to bleach, I don't have to pluck. Everything is done for me. So along with the fake scalp, it has 3 combs. Well, actually no, it has 4 combs. Wow, that's a lot of combs. So 1 in the back, 2 on the side, on the sides, and 1 at the back. I guess the front middle, which I never understood this. I don't know. So anyways, it has 4 combs. So it comes with an adjustable strap like this. So professional, so nice. This is everything. And then it has like, it's like a bra strap. So you can adjust it with the hook and eye. See? So you can adjust it with the hooks and make it tighter. It has 3 different lengths of adjustment. And also what I didn't notice is you can take it off. So say you don't want the band, you can actually take it off completely on both sides. So that is, listen, this is everything. This is a game changer, and I'm so excited about this wig because I don't have to do anything. I love that I can buy a wig that's already done. So I'm gonna put her on, and I'm so excited because she looks so good. Now, like I said, I've tried it on before already, so I know how she looks. I know she's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and I'm gonna come back because I'm not comfortable with taking off my hair and putting this hair on camera. So no, so I'm gonna come back with it on. We're gonna work our way up there. Hopefully one day we will get there, but right now it's a no. It's a no, sis. So I'll be back. So this is the wig on. It's beautiful. I want to wash it before I cut the lace off. So this is the wig. I'm gonna brush it. It's very soft, really nice. And it's 22 inches, and it comes down to here when it's stretched. Let me back up some. So it comes down here. It's long for 22, because I always get 26, but I feel like 22 is short. So this is how it looks. Turn around. So 22 inches in wavy. So it's beautiful. And the color is amazing. Let me zoom in. Well, come closer. Talking about zoom in. I'm not zooming in. I'm coming closer. So I'm coming closer, and look at this color. This color is everything. The money alone is worth it just for the color. Look how it gradually goes into the light brown. Ooh, beautiful. Like, this color is everything, and it has like a nice little streak in the front, and it's the same thing on the other side, so it matches. It's not that harsh bleach that is just like a line. Like, you see, they put it right there. It's like dark, light. It's no gradual lightening of color. So it's already bleached, like I said, with the Fake Scalp and light brown. So really nice. Now let's talk about parting. Let's see how the parting goes. Okay, so okay, really nice. The only thing is the parting is gonna stop right here. So if you want to go any deeper, you can't. You can't go any deeper with the parting. So yeah, this is as far as it goes. So you could part right there. If you wanted to do a deep side part, so you can't really do a deep side part because that's as far as it goes right here. And the same thing on this side. So you could part it. Cute. It is cute. It is cute. So I'm dancing around and I haven't even cut the lace off, styled it, or done anything. So let's talk about the hairline. So I do have a huge forehead. So let me explain. My forehead is huge. It's big. So I already know when I buy wigs that the hairline isn't going to be exact because the front of my hair starts all the way back here and then my sides go all the way up here. So there is no getting the perfect hairline. So as you can see, this is the hairline right here. Looks good, right? And then the side, I have to bring it up so you can see. That looks really good. Let's do this side. See, my hair is poking out. And very nice. But when I say I'm in love, I am in love. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip in my bangs. I wanna see what it looks like straight out the box. I need a mirror. Look at that. Ow. These are the bangs. Oh, and the bangs are $5. So I did pay $5 for the bang. You get 2 wigs. 2 wigs for one. Just $5 to add on, you get 2 wigs. Now let's talk about shipping. So shipping was everything. Shipping, I'm always saying everything. Girl, find another adjective. But shipping was very fast. I ordered this wig on September 11th and I got it September 16th. So that was how many days? 5 days. So I got it very quickly. The shipping was free express DHL shipping. So let's talk about the pricing of the wig, because I know you're like, how much did it cost? How much it cost, girl? I paid for this wig. I wanted this wig. The wig subtotal was $383, so it's $383. But I did get a discount. I got 15% off because if you sign up for their subscription, or not a subscription, but if you sign up for their newsletter or text or just register on their site, they gave you a 15% off coupon code. So I did go ahead and sign up so I get that coupon code. So I got 15% off, which was $57.45 off. And my total was $325.55. So my first initial review on my Hair ViVi wig is that it's everything I'm super excited to wear on my trip. It's gonna give me so much freedom and just more time to enjoy the trip and not worry about my hair or how I look. So I'm super excited for this wig. So I'm gonna come back in 30 days and let you guys know what I think about the wig, because of course I just opened it out of the box, I just put it on my head, I didn't even cut off the lace yet. So I'm gonna come back in 30 days, give you a full review on the hair, if I still think it's worth it, how did it hold up in the rain and just the humidity. So check me out. We'll have a 30-day review on this Hair ViVi wig. So if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscription button. Come on, go ahead and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Later.